Okay, so hello guys. Today we will be playing MM2 again with my friend, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, join me.
Mm-hmm. Hello guys.
Wait, I'm gonna have to put my phone closer again. Okay, you can tell hello again.
Hello guys. It's me again.
Yeah, we're gonna play MM2 again because the other video we went good, and we thought we will maybe make another one.
Oh, I'm already sheriff,
Okay, that's good.
bro. I have ice cream in my hand and I am sheriff, bro.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna have to talk a little, louder because nobody can hear me if I talk like the other videos. So yeah. Okay, who is the murderer, bro? I think
I'm
he's
done.
I think he's partying in the kitchen.
Oil.
Oh shit, things, bro. I who the who the fuck is the murderer, bro? Okay, my friend.
Oh,
Okay, bro. I am
I'm
innocent.
done.
Bro, why the fuck are you saying? I am innocent, bro, holy, bro. I am innocent, Oh, what?
The girl
Bro,
who the,
he came from behind me, bro. That's unfair.
the girl who said I'm innocent is murderer.
Ay, hola.
I'm guy.
Okay. Uh, uh,
Um,
let's go climb the, house.
wait. Mul on sinep kurgus.
Yeah, he has synap in his mouth.
No, that's a meme. If a water goes on
Okay,
your
bro, you don't have to tell everybody about our meme, bro.
yeah.
Wait, no, okay, I'm gonna tell. It's basically like when we're gonna go swimming, and the water goes in your nose or something, and it will start your nose will start hurting. So yeah, we say that there's synap in our. You don't know what synap is because it's on Estonian like sauce. It's like it's mustard, but a little more like spice, or how do I call it? Yeah.
The spicy.
Like something like that, yeah. It's basically like mustard, but like a little more spicy or something like that. We will probably make like 2 or 3 videos today. This is
Mm.
like one video, and we're gonna make. I think this video will not be that long, but the other video will be a little longer, I think.
Yeah, we will.
Of course, everybody has that stance, bro. Let's. I don't know. Play it.
Guys, and if this video ends, you need to subscribe.
And guys, I don't know if my other video is famous right now, but I please make this video famous, bro. We're trying so hard to be famous.
Mm.
We need to get we're like 10 subscribers away from 1,000, 1,300, yeah. We're like 10 subscribers away from 1,300 subscribers.
I'm innocent.
Same. Okay, nobody's following me, so that is
I'm going
good.
to the vent.
Wait, I'm gonna go to the vent tool, okay?
I'm
It's
coming back to the toilet.
okay, bro. Everybody looks like a murderer. Murderer.
Lava.
Okay, bro. Why am I at the place where there's money? I mean, bet I guess. Can I hide somewhere here? Wait, can I open this? Wait, what did this thing open? It opened this. I bet.
And guys, in the other video, we do it. Crack lab pow.
Okay, where do I go here?
Oh,
Who is the murderer? What? Bro,
like
I just got headshot, bro. That's crazy. Yeah.
the
Okay,
murder.
okay.
The murder is like a black.
Okay, let's go. Wait, Alex, were you dead already?
Oops,
Were you dead already or were you still in the game?
dead.
Ah, okay, same.
I'm jumping in the sky.
And guys, if you're asking why I'm playing like half screen, because like I have a laptop and it lags when I use full screen. Like, let me try to play with full screen. It's too laggy. I'm gonna have to play like this. I hope you guys don't mind because this is like only the way I can play.
The only way.
My friend is playing on PC, the one that I'm playing with, but yeah. I hope I will get like a PC for my birthday or something, but I don't know. But
I mean,
when I will get the PC, I will get like probably a mic and a better web camera, because right now I'm using my laptop camera or this like I don't know $5 or €5 camera too, and yeah,
Bingo laptop.
yeah, and I have like a laptop.
Employee notice.
But the good thing is I have like a good keyboard and a wireless mouse,
Yeah.
so these are at least good for my setup.
Mi amor.
What? Okay, he's the murderer.
Oh, I found the murder. Oi. Ah.
Yes, we won.
I'm jumping in his head,
Mm-hmm.
and he's
Dinga 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 dinga.
guys. If you are subscriber, you are definitely subscriber.
And guys, do you know if you subscribe, bro, when I get 1,300 subscribers, if any of y'all plays, I don't know, let's say I don't know, Blox Fruits, I will give away a Yeti fruit,
You don't even have it.
but I will get it. I will get it. I will get it.
Okay,
I have
I'm
my
innocent.
or control. You can choose what fruit do you want. Not permanent, but like I will give you for a bad offer. I don't know. I just say what it can't be dragon because I don't have like a dragon. But yeah, if you want any fruit, just tell me. But not dragon. That dragon is the only fruit that I can't like give you guys because I don't have one.
Fröklanbauer.
Or I can give away my, I don't know, my whole inventory and MM2. Because I only play this game for videos because, I don't know, this game doesn't lag that much.
And guys, I post to TikTok one video. That was 2 days
And
ago.
it has like 60,000, 80,000 views.
Yeah, 80,000 and almost 1,000 likes.
His name is, tell my subscribers your name in TikTok.
My TikTok account name is Alex.
Alex with K and S, not X, but like K and S.
Like a wow.
And his profile picture is like his setup.
Yes, but now it's different.
Wait, what is your profile picture now?
Now
Yeah.
the same.
Um. Well, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, who is the murderer? I still don't know.
Wait, I'm going to look how many viewers are in this video. I have 83,000
Okay, that's
and
good.
999 likes.
That's crazy. Wait, no, I'm not gonna show you right now, but like in the next video I will probably show you.
Yeah. I think, guys, the 1,000 subscribers
Wait,
what my friend have is one of you who is watching my videos.
you guys, uh, uh, comment the next video you want me to make.
Yeah, what game do
Yeah,
you want? Like in Roblox? Or
yeah,
no? What? Who killed me? Bro,
yeah,
I'm going to, guys, I'm going to shot football. Ronaldo 2008 Prime.
Oh
The
hell no,
best
bro! Shut the fuck up, you fucking nigger.
you
No, I'm not a nigger.
are.
Nah,
I'm not too.
you're farting in the kitchen.
Yeah. That's actually a fake, but that's me.
And yeah, guys, this is my face reveal by the way too.
Face reveal is crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Su ronsterkäkk.
Who will be please murderer? Okay, bro.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm innocent, of course.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna lock in.
I gonna look in, bro.
Oi, punna.
I coca cooking.
I'm gonna Coca-Cola.
If you're asking what noise that is behind me, my little cousin is playing Minecraft. Okay, bro. What are they? I told him not to do it.
What?
He did like a noise. I don't know what.
Me.
No, my cousin.
Ah,
He's
who
annoying.
is the murder? Who is the murder?
Okay, my
Oh,
cousin is not actually annoying. He's a bit.
hell no. The blue, like a girl who is like blue, who is murder. Hell no, bro. I'm going to his home and kill him. Me?
Bro, my little cousin wanted to come on camera, but I can't show him. Sorry.
Oi,
He's only 4 years old, so yeah. I'm not gonna show his face. Okay, bro. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera like this. I don't know. Wait, I'm gonna check if you guys can see him. Oh wait, you can't even see my face. Oh, I forgot to put this light on. Yeah, this is better now. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the video. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Oh, 30 shells. That's good. Yo, Alex.
Yo,
What are you doing?
I was sleeping in the floor.
Very, very good.
Very piikus.
Very, very bombikus, on kõik kuku.
Ronaldo 2001.
What?
Guys, Murder Mystery 560 is out.
Murder Mystery 467 is outside.
No, for, Murder Mystery 1 Trillion Infinity Plus 1 is out.
No, that doesn't count.
That's made by Alex and Gabriel.
Yes. Very,
And
very
Sam is
bombikus,
gay.
tendikus.
And Sam is Thomas.
No shit.
He's like I'm brain not. I'm brain not. Brain. No brain not. Isegi I don't know how to spell.
I don't know how to cook it.
Guys, what cookery cook?
Cookerin is yeah. Cookerin is very in cook is pongi cook.
ATV is very bombikus.
Yes, sir.
Ja siirikas.
Wait, I'm gonna open this. I don't know if it's better now. Probably. Wait, I'm gonna take a look.
And guys, when
Yeah,
my
it's
friend
better.
was
It's
in the
better
store,
now. It's better now.
guys, when my friend is on the store, he got dumpling and that's shiny.
Okay, guys, this is the last game we're gonna play, and then we're gonna end the video.
Yeah. Yep, I'm innocent.
Okay, I don't wanna play anymore. Bye, guys.